Hello and welcome to TeluguOne Food. I'm your host Chef Haflongbar, and today I'll be showing you how to debone a whole chicken and its different cuts. So let's get started. So this is a whole chicken. First, we will divide it into two pieces. We'll break it off. So at the back you can see there is a bone here. Just lift it and break it here. Then, holding it on one hand, you just run knife through it. You don't need to put that much pressure, it's already broken. And then you can twist it off. So, we got two pieces of the chicken. Then, let us first start cutting our leg. This is how it looks. Holding both the drumstick of the chicken, just twist it. It will be dividing into two. Then hold in the middle and again twist it. There you can see this bone comes out. So checking this bone, take a knife and start cutting it through. So this bone will guide you through it and you will get your leg piece like this. Same thing here, twist it, run your knife. So now we got two leg pieces and the bone is out. This bone can be used for making stocks and you can use it for soups or stews. The breast part will look like this. So there is a bone in the center. Just slide your knife through it. On the edges of the bone, and then here is a collarbone. The meat comes off like this. We don't need to apply any pressure. Here there is a joint of the wings, so we need to cut through it. When the bone is just cut through, you can just pull it off and you get your breast part. Same will repeat for this. Slide through the middle bone. And through the collarbone. When you cut off the bone of the wings, then you can pull it off. So this is the two breasts which we get, and here this is the bone. Here we have two pieces of meat which are known as supreme. So we'll take this out. Just hold it on the neck and slide your knife. Both sides, pull it off. Two supreme and the bones. This bone also you can be using for making veg stock, which can be used for making soups and stews. This is the breast part with the wings. Wish to use only the breast, we will take out the wings from it, and this is what you will get. And these wings, again there in the middle, you can cut it off, and then this can be used. This can be used to make lollipop. This is for wings. So one more cut of chicken I will show you. The breast with this bone intact, which you can find in many high-end restaurants where they serve you with chicken with the bone. So I'll show you one. Just cut off one part of the wing. Then we will keep this bone intact with the breast, but remove the meat from here. Scrape off all the meat from the bone. So it is clean and presentable, and this is how it will look like. This boneless pieces, we can use it for curries. From one chicken we can get all these cuts. One breast piece, another breast piece with bone, 2 supreme, 2 wings, you can make lollipop, 2 legs. These are the 2 legs which we have taken out from the chicken. So I'll show you how to debone it. This is the drumstick part. So here is again the joint which will cut through. It's very easy. This is the drumstick. This is the thigh. So you turn it like this and just slide your knife on through the bones. It will take a little bit of practice, but it is not tough. And then after sliding off, you can pull out the bone like this and scrape all the meats from the bone, and then you can just cut it off. This is just the bone. This is the thigh boneless part. Same with the other one. Take off the drumstick, turn it to your side, slide it along the bone, pull out the bone, scrape off all the meat, and take out the bone. So we get 2 thigh boneless. So this is the final product which we get from a whole chicken. Now according to your recipe, you can use whichever cuts you would like to use. The breast, thigh boneless, the drumstick, make wings, supreme and wings.